Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue after performing a Windows update where you are unable to start the remote desktop service and the error message show remote desktop can connect to the remote computer for one of these reasons. Remote access to the server is not enabled. The remote computer is turned off. The remote computer is not available on the networks. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix? And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na sysdm.cpl. And then click mo lang tong open. And then pop up itong kanyang system properties. So ang next step dito ay kailangan mo lang select dito sa taas yung remote. Ito siya. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa remote assistance, so dapat i-check mo to allow remote assistant connections to this computer. So check mo tong logs. And then click mo lang tong apply. And then click mo lang tong okay. And hopefully ma-resolve yung problems. If the error still persists, do this another solutions to disable the IPv6 protocol, which would force the remote desktop to try and connect to an older versions of Windows, perhaps. So if you're using Windows 7 or 8, Windows XP, or maybe an older versions of Windows NT as the target machines to turn off. So all you have to do is to open up again on search menu. And then dito lang ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na ncpa.cpl. And then click mo lang dito yung open. Alright. So dito ay kailangan mo lang mag-right clicks on your network connections. So kung ano yung ginagamit mo dito na network connections ay select mo lang yan. Kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And then select mo lang dito yung properties. So dito sa kanyang properties, and then next step ay dito lang sa connections, uses the following items. So, kailangan mo lang i-uncheck yung Internet Protocol version 6 TCP/IPv6. So, uncheck mo tong box. And then, kailangan mo lang i-click to okay. Right? And then, after nito, and the last solutions na pwede natin gawin ay dito lang sa search menu. And then, kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung services. And then, click mo lang tong open. So dito sa services local, and then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung remote desktop services user mode for redirector. So scroll down lang tayo at hanapin natin yan. So select natin dito yung remote desktop services user mode for redirector. So kailangan mo lang dito mag double click and then pop up itong kanyang properties. So ang next step dito ay dito lang sa services status. So click mo lang tong start. And then wait natin. And then next ay click mo lang tong stop. And then wait natin. Alright. And then click mo lang tong okay. And then close lang natin dito. At dito lang sa start menu, kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Ayan. So ganoon lang po ka-simply on how to fix cannot start remote desktop service after installing Windows updates. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.